Did you know as an Etsy seller, the first thing you should do is buy your custom domain? A custom domain makes your store look more professional and credible to buyers. Instead of having a URL that reads etsy.com/shop/your shop name with a custom web address, you could give shoppers something easier to remember your brand. It could read yourshopname.com. It also gives you more control over your brand and web presence, not allowing others to use your brand name as a domain. Plus, a custom domain will give your business a more professional appearance and help you rank higher in the search engine results. So let me show you how easy it is to grab your very own custom domain address. So I'm going to show you two ways to grab your own custom domain. The first one is going directly through Etsy. So first thing you're going to do is head over to your Etsy store, log in, and head over to your Etsy shop manager. From the back end, you're going to click on marketing. You're going to go down to custom web address, and it's going to open this new window here. From here, you're able to go ahead and click on upgrade to plus for a custom web address. Click there, and it's going to prompt you to upgrade your account to the Etsy Plus, which is a $10 monthly fee. So from here, you will be able to upgrade, and then these are the additional features that you will get for upgrading to Etsy Plus. Plus now you will have your custom web address, and they'll give you additional discounts for that. So that is the first route to do it. Now let me show you the second route. The second option of buying your own custom domain is going through a hosting company. This is one of the hosting companies I've been using for over 9 years, HostGator. I highly recommend them. So if you like to use them, I will leave my referral link in the comments and also in the text box below. Now, when you head over to HostGator, the benefit of using them over Etsy is that you don't have to pay the Etsy Plus membership, which is $10 every single month. So in here, you just pay a one-time fee for your domain, and that's all you do. So for instance, if I wanted to buy my domain, all I have to do is click on domain and then head over to register domains. From here, I'm gonna search for the domain that I want. So let's say my store name is Nancy Wedding Printables. I'm gonna do a quick search to see if that domain is available, and it's gonna let you know if it is or not. If it is available, a green box will appear right here, and it will say, congratulations, your domain is available. So for me to buy this domain, the only thing I need to pay is $12.95 today for the whole entire year until next year. However, if I want to add privacy protection, which is there are people that could look up your domain and find out who purchased the domain, and that usually gives them your name and your home address if you don't have a business address. So if you don't want to give that information out, you could purchase for an additional $14 privacy protection. And the privacy protection, what it does is that it replaces your address with HostGator's address. So somebody that does a search on nancyweddingprintables.com, who does it belong to, it will show up under the HostGator's information. So it will protect your privacy. So this is really optional, up to you. I highly recommend it. In the first year, it depends on your budgeting. If you have it within your means, go ahead and buy it. If you don't, just remove it from here and just pay the $12.95 for the entire year. Just continue to check out, follow the prompts. It's very easy. Create an account, and now you have your secure domain that you could later use on your own website, or you could use it on other platforms.